The Ferrari Purosangue represents a significant milestone as Ferrari's inaugural four-door, four-seater vehicle, blending the brand's legendary performance with SUV practicality. Introduced in 2022, the Purosangue has continued to evolve, and the 2025 model exemplifies Ferrari's commitment to innovation and excellence. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Purosangue lies a formidable 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine, designated as the F140IA. This powerhouse delivers an impressive 715 horsepower at 7,750 RPM and 528 lb-ft of torque at 6,250 RPM, with 80% of torque available from 2,100 RPM. The engine's redline is set at an exhilarating 8,250 RPM, ensuring a thrilling driving experience. The Purosangue accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 3.2 seconds and boasts a top speed of over 193 miles per hour. Transmission and drivetrain power is transmitted to all four wheels through an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, mounted on the rear axle to achieve a balanced 49:51 weight distribution. The Purosangue employs Ferrari's 4RMS all-wheel drive system, enhancing traction and stability across various driving conditions. Dimensions and weight. The Purosangue's dimensions underscore its commanding presence. Wheelbase, 118.8 inches length, 195.8 inches width, 79.8 inches height, 62.6 inches curb weight, approximately 4,850 pounds. These proportions contribute to both its aesthetic appeal and dynamic performance. Chassis and suspension. To deliver sports car-like handling, the Purosangue features a sophisticated suspension system. It utilizes true active spool valve, TASV, 48V motor actuators at each wheel, providing rapid response and enhanced control compared to traditional air suspension setups. This system effectively manages body roll and ensures a composed ride. Additionally, the inclusion of four-wheel steering enhances maneuverability, particularly at lower speeds. Interior and features. Inside, the Purosangue offers a harmonious blend of luxury and technology. The dashboard is divided into two distinct zones, one tailored for the driver, featuring a multifunction steering wheel and a comprehensive digital instrument cluster, and another for the front passenger, equipped with a 10.2-inch touchscreen for infotainment controls. Notably, there is no central infotainment screen, emphasizing a driver-centric design. Rear occupants are treated to individual heated bucket seats that can be electrically reclined, enhancing comfort during journeys. The cabin is further accentuated by an electrochromic panoramic glass roof, contributing to an airy and open atmosphere. Safety and driver assistance features. Ferrari has equipped the Purosangue with a suite of standard driver assistance features to enhance safety. Automated emergency braking helps prevent or mitigate collisions by automatically applying the brakes in emergency situations. Blind spot monitoring alerts the driver to vehicles in adjacent lanes, reducing the risk of side collisions. Lane departure warning with lane keeping assist warns the driver if the vehicle begins to drift out of its lane and can provide corrective steering input. Adaptive cruise control maintains a set speed while keeping a safe distance from the vehicle ahead. These features work in concert to provide a safer driving experience without compromising performance. Fuel efficiency. Given its performance capabilities, the Purosangue's fuel efficiency is modest. EPA estimates indicate a combined fuel economy of 13 miles per gallon, with 12 miles per gallon in the city and 16 miles per gallon on the highway. These figures are typical for vehicles in this performance segment. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Ferrari Purosangue is positioned in the ultra-luxury SUV market, with a starting price of approximately $402,050 in the United States. Due to high demand and limited production, availability may be constrained, and prospective buyers are advised to contact authorized Ferrari dealerships for the most current information. Conclusion. The 2025 Ferrari Purosangue seamlessly integrates Ferrari's high-performance heritage with the versatility and comfort of an SUV. Its combination of a potent V12 engine, advanced drivetrain, luxurious interior, and cutting-edge technology positions it as a standout offering in the luxury SUV segment, catering to discerning enthusiasts seeking both performance and practicality.